Mastering everyday phrases. Understanding, I dropped the ball. Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our channel, where we dive into the fascinating world of English language learning. Today, we're going to explore a very common phrase you might have heard in conversations, movies, or even at work. I dropped the ball. It's not about sports, as you might think at first, but it's a metaphorical expression. Let's break it down together to make sure you can use it confidently in your English conversations. When someone says, I dropped the ball, they're not talking about literally dropping a ball during a game. Instead, this phrase is used to admit a mistake or failure in fulfilling a responsibility or completing a task. It's a way of acknowledging that they've made an error, often leading to a problem or inconvenience for others. This expression is commonly used in both personal and professional contexts. The phrase, I dropped the ball, comes from sports, where dropping a ball can cause a team to lose a point, miss an opportunity, or disrupt a play. It's especially prevalent in American sports like football or baseball, where such a mistake can significantly impact the game's outcome. Over time, this expression was adopted into everyday language to describe errors or failures outside of sports. To help you understand how to use this phrase, let's look at some examples. 1. At work, I'm sorry for missing the deadline. I really dropped the ball on that project. 2. In personal relationships, I forgot our anniversary. I can't believe I dropped the ball on something so important. 3. Group projects or teamwork. We didn't win the competition because I dropped the ball during the final presentation. I apologize to everyone. These examples show that admitting you dropped the ball can be a way to take responsibility for a mistake and express regret. Admitting that you've dropped the ball is crucial for several reasons. It demonstrates honesty, responsibility, and maturity by acknowledging your mistakes. This can help to build trust and respect with others, whether in personal relationships or professional settings. Moreover, recognizing your errors is the first step towards learning from them and avoiding similar mistakes in the future. We hope this video has shed some light on the meaning and use of the phrase, I dropped the ball. Understanding these expressions can enrich your English vocabulary and help you communicate more effectively. Remember, making mistakes is human, but acknowledging them is a sign of growth. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more insights into the English language. See you in the next video.